And let's say I had an equation that looked like this, and I want to go ahead and graph it. Okay. So in order to graph this, well, first identify it's a straight line. I know it's a straight line because the x here doesn't have any exponent attached to it. Okay. Well, what I want to do is I need to find 2 points. So the old way is I can make a table. I'm not going to make a table since I only need 2 points. I'm going to use 2 very important points. That is the intercepts. So we go for the x and the y intercepts. Okay. So we're going to remember what the x-intercept looks like. The x-intercept is where x could be anything, right? And y is 0. Okay. The y-intercept is where x is 0 and y could be anything. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug y is a 0 into this equation, and I'm going to solve for x. Okay. Oops. So 6 times 0, 0. So this is 3x equals 15. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Okay, so x equals 5. Okay. So my x-intercept occurs at 5, 0. Okay, so if I were to make a graph, here's my y, here's my x. I would go where x is a 5 and y is a 0. Make that little point. Okay. So I'm going to find the other point by doing the same thing, except this time I'm going to say x is a 0. So this leaves me with 6y plus 3, 0 equals 15. Okay. 3 times 0 is 0, so this is 6y equals 15. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. So y will reduce to 5 halves. Sorry. Okay. Oops. Can't quite see that. I've got these new pins and they're all blotchy. So 5 halves would be approximately 2.5. Okay. So I go over here where y is a 0, and I go up to where, x is a 0, and I go up to where y is 2.5. I now have my 2 marks, and I can make my line.